Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your background in your videos. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you remove the background to one of your videos in Canva? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove the background to a video using Canva anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a content creator, you know that sometimes you have to change the background for privacy reasons, or maybe to emphasize what it is you're talking about. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Is handled here in your Canva Pro account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up my Canva account and this is the home screen. Now, one thing I want to let you know before you go any further is this has to be a Pro account. You can't do this in the free version, at least not at the time of the recording of this video. If you need a discount code, check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But as long as you have the Pro account and you want to remove the background to one of your videos, what you're going to do is go ahead and just create a design. So I'm going to do a simple design right here, create a design. And let's say I'm going to do a TikTok video. Okay, so now we are starting with a blank slate. And the first thing you need to do is drag in your video. So here on the left side, click on uploads. Once you click there, you want to click on videos, and then you want to use one of the videos you have right here. If you don't have the video here for some reason, you can upload files from your computer. Once it's uploaded, it should show up here in your library. And then next, what you want to do is go ahead and grab the video that you want to remove the background. So this one right here, and just drag it right on over. Okay, now you can see the video is playing right now, and you can drag in multiple videos and then work on them one at a time. However, what you want to do next is click on the video. And then once you do that, you're going to see this menu up here on the top, and just click on background remover. And like I said, this is a paid feature. You have to have the Pro account. You can see a little crown next to it, but click on there. Okay, now it's going to start processing. Okay, so you can see the time is 2:30. This is a pretty small video. It's only 2.4 seconds. So let's see how long it takes to process. Okay, it's at 90% and we're still at 2. Okay, now it's processed. So let's go ahead and click play, and you can see the background has been removed. So if your video has a lot of moving, sometimes you can have a few errors. So you can see there's still a little bit of brown around it, and then down here as well, but it's actually pretty good. Okay, next, if you want to change the background, just click on the image, and then here on the left, we're going to click here on background, and then you can go ahead and just change the color of the background. So maybe we want a black, or we want a red, or maybe it's going to be a green screen. So you can click here and make it green. And you can also choose these kind of funky backgrounds over here. So maybe like landscape. And then next, what you want to do is click on share and then download. Okay, here you want to go ahead and adjust the quality and then go ahead and download. So here is my video that I removed the background. Let's go ahead and play it. And you can see we have this kind of landscape in the back, and the background of the image has been removed. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove the background to a video using your Canva account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.